Now let's begin with our previous topic. In the previous video, I talked about what? I talked about three natural fibers, and today I'm going to add one more to it, and that is jute. Have you seen a sugar cane? How many of you have seen a sugar cane? I think very few of you have seen. But sugar cane are also they're straight. So jute plant also grows to a height of around 15 feet, right? And they're straight. And what happened? They're cut down and they're made into bundles. Bundles में बनाते हैं. उसके बाद they're kept under the water for how many days? For 15 days, so that they can get rot. Rot means सड़ जाते हैं. When they're kept under water, obviously they'll get rot, right? So from that, after 15 days, the jute plant is taken out and the fiber and the stem are separated. You understand? The fiber means the top part of the plant of jute, and then the stem is separated. And after that, stem in the sense the stalk, right? And then after that, the fiber is washed and dried in the sun. And then that fiber is dried. What happened? They are made bundles and then sold into the market. And when they're sold into the market, what is made? A carpet is made, mat, bag, rope, etc. There are so many things which are made out of that rope. Yeah, you must have seen. You must have done the sack race in the sport day. I hope you have done it. If not, maybe you will do it. Or tell your parents to show you a sack, how a sack looks like. Okay, so these four are what are these? These four are the natural fibers that we get from plants and animals. Okay, wool, cotton, silk and jute. Now we are coming to the synthetic fibers or the man-made fibers. Now what are synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are the fibers which are made using different chemicals. Chemical se banta hai, right? And now like rayon, nylon, and then polyester, acrylic. So these are different synthetic fibers. Now what are the qualities what are the qualities of a synthetic fiber? First, they are very light. बहुत हल्के होते हैं synthetic fiber. Second, they are durable. Durable in the sense बहुत लंबे टाइम के लिए चलते हैं. ठीक है? Third, they do not need ironing. प्रेस की जरूरत नहीं होती उसमें. कुछ कपड़े ऐसे होते हैं ना, like cotton, when you wash कैसा हो जाता है? This just gets squeezed, right? So to make them proper, you need to iron them, right? But for synthetic, you don't need ironing. Fourth, they are easily washed. If there is any kind of stain, that is removed easily from the synthetic fiber. But the drawback is they catch fire very easily. आग बहुत जल्दी लग जाती है, right? Secondly, they do not absorb the sweat, and it is very uncomfortable in summers. Summers means you have a lot of sweat coming out of your body, right? So what happened? That sweat is not absorbed by the synthetic cloth. So this is the only disadvantage. But rest are good. They're light, they're durable, they do not need ironing, they can be washed easily, right? So these are the qualities of a synthetic fibers. And two disadvantages, that they catch fire easily and they do not absorb sweat in summers. Okay, so these are the what? Synthetic fibers or the man-made fibers. Okay, now coming to the uniform. Now why do we wear uniform? When you go to the school, you wear uniform. When a doctor goes to the hospital, he wears his uniform. When police is on duty, they wear uniform. A soldier, a pilot, a captain. Why do they wear uniform? What is the use of the uniform? Now I'll tell you, why do you wear uniform? You wear uniform so that you can be recognized and identified. Please remember it. So that they can be identified or recognized. You can easily recognize that yes, he is a student, he is a policeman, he is a soldier, she is a nurse, she is a doctor, right? So for the identification and recognition, so that you can recognize someone, you need to wear or you need to put on your dress. Okay? I hope that is clear to everyone. And you all know what kind of a cloth we should wear. We should wear clean clothes. We should wash them regularly. Yes, we must iron our clothes. Yeah, you have so many things about, you know so many things about the clothes. And our clothes should not be so tight, so loose. They should be just comfortable. We must wear the clothes in which we are comfortable, right? And we can have a free movement and proper growth. Coming back, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes first to cover our body, second to look smart, third to protect us from heat, rain, cold and insect bite. Clothes that we wear in different seasons, and clothes are made up of different fibers. I told you. Now we will talk about how to take care of clothes, right? You take a bath every day and you change your clothes. Who wash it? Your mother. Yes, she does that, right? But you should also take care of your clothes. They are expensive. They are not cheap. सस्ते नहीं है कि आप ऐसे पहना और फेंक दिया. So please don't do that. Okay? Try to wash the clothes that you can. जो आप धो सकते हो, try it and wash it. Because that is for your benefit. वो किसी और का benefit नहीं है. That is for your benefit. Okay? So first thing is, wash your clothes with soap and clean water. Remember to wash your clothes with soap and clean water. Secondly, use mothballs or the naphthalene balls. They are generally white in color and round. And they are used to kill insects or the germs that are in your... You keep your clothes inside the bed box, right? So where it is fully covered, हमें नहीं पता चलता insect आ रहा है, germs आ रहा है. So we keep those balls so that they do not spoil our clothes. We use mothballs or naphthalene balls so that insect do not spoil our clothes. Third, always keep your clothes folded. Don't just throw them anywhere you like or hang them. Don't do that. Just fold your clothes properly and keep it at a proper place. Okay? Don't just make them lie here and there. That is wrong. Try to fold your clothes as much as you can and put them in a or place them in a proper place. Okay? I hope that was clear. And yeah, you have to keep it in the cupboard or any place where there is a place to keep the clothes. Okay? So I hope chapter clothes we wear is clear to everyone. Enjoy.